Hey everyone, today we'll be doing another Leetcode problem 806 number of lines to write string. This is an easy one. You are given a string as of lowercase English letters and an array width denoting how many pixels wide each lowercase English letter is. So width at 0 will represent A and at 1 A will be representing B and so on. You are trying to write S, which is a string, across several lines where each line has no longer than 100 pixels. Starting from the beginning, basically what they are saying, you can write maximum of 100 pixels in each line, and after that we have to continue our S, which is our string, and write it on the next line, and that's it. Return the total number of lines. So we'll be returning a list in which that a zero index will be having a total number of lines which we consume to write all this s, which is just a string, all these characters, and the one index will be representing the width of the last line in pixels. So it will be the remaining, you can say, half line or more than half or something, the words which we have in our last line. So that's it. So what we'll be doing is just uh, making a resultant list first of all, and for every character in S we will also make the width starting from 0, and you can say lines which will be starting from 1, because obviously we are going to write from the line number 1. And for every character in S, what we can do is just take its pixel. So how can we take its pixel, which will be in width? So character width will be taken like width, taking the ASCII value of that C and subtracting it by A. This will give us the index of that certain, you can say, character pixel. So A minus A is going to return a 0, and we can just take the pixel from, you can say, from that, it will be returning 0. So width at 0 will give us the pixel for A. It will be 10 in this specific case. And after that, if C width plus the width. So character width plus the previous width we have, which is in the first case is 0. If it is greater than 100, because we know if it is greater than 100, we are going to increment our line by 1, and our width will be resetted to 0 because we just started a new line. And if it is not the case, what we want to do is just width, add that character width in the width, total width, and that's it. After doing that, we can just result dot append. At first index we will be returning the lines, so lines appending it to result, and result dot append the width, the character which we have in the last line. So that's it. After that we can just return res. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask them in the comments.